specification writing is not a glamorous job, and there's not too many people left that really want to do it. There are a few specification writers left that will actually write specifications pretty much from scratch, but they're few and far between. So where do architects, engineers get all their specifications from? Well, there's a number of different sources. For instance, they could go to the manufacturer. Most manufacturers will write specifications for use on a job. Now, unfortunately, those are proprietary specifications because they have the manufacturer's product in there in such a detailed way that no other product could meet the specification. So a specification writer could take a manufacturer's specification as a boilerplate and eliminate all the proprietary information and come up with a specification if they want. So that would be one way of coming about it. Architects often have to write specifications, and they're going to use various sources to do so. Engineers and consultants also write specifications. So you have all these different people that are potentially writing the specifications. But what you're really going to find is that almost all specifications come from one of two sources. It's either going to be SpecLink or AVITRU. And those two sources provide almost the entire marketplace with all the specifications. And it's partly why that almost all specifications are prescriptive in nature, because those two companies hire teams of specification writers who all day long write all these specifications, and they're extremely detailed. And since that's what's adopted by architects and engineers, you're finding more and more that specifications are very prescriptive in nature. Now, SpecLink happens to be owned by a company called Building System Design, and AVITRU happens to be the standard for the AIA.